Ready to turn your iPhone into an XRP mining machine and strike digital gold? Let's break down the real deal. The short answer is a resounding nitrogen monoxide. Unlike Bitcoin, XRP utilizes a consensus mechanism that doesn't involve traditional mining, meaning you can't directly mine XRP on your iPhone, or any device for that matter. XRP is Premined, functioning through a unique system of validators instead of the proof-of-work or proof-of-stake methods associated with mining, so any app claiming it mines XRP is likely a scam. Proceed with caution. However, don't be discouraged. You can still participate in the XRP ecosystem instead of mining. Consider purchasing XRP through trusted crypto exchanges. Look for secure platforms and always enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Another option is to explore platforms that offer staking or earning opportunities related to XRP. Some platforms might reward you with XRP for holding or lending your existing XRP holdings. Research reputable options to potentially grow your XRP holdings. Remember, always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay informed about the latest developments in the XRP world. Keep exploring the world of crypto, even if mining from your iPhone isn't an option.